Choke him, sir. Put your hands around his neck. Great. Stop. But you stop playing around now, huh? Right. He threw you on the ground. Is it funny now? It's not funny anymore, huh? I know. People throw me on the ground or something and try to do something to me. It's not funny. Better start putting your dukes up and fighting, man. Let's go. Fight! What break? Sir, watch the face. Ready? Fight! Break! Fast. Got all this room over there, gentlemen. Look, you guys are kind of fighting. Look, you guys are fighting in slow motion. Gotta fight fast to finish people. You alright, sir? Okay. Fight fast. Throw him down fast. Finish him. Roll! Break! For any one of you grab, I need to see a punch and a kick. Let's go, Leo. You got the mirror, man. Leo, punch him. You got to punch when you move forward. Leo, get out the mirror. Circle. Bray, Mina, what are you doing, man? Bray, come back. Stop. Stop. Gentlemen, get up. Man, Amelia, what's up, man? You can't run. Don't. Sir, be quiet. Sir, be quiet. I'm going to make you fight Ken. You understand? You're in the class, right? You ain't supposed to be standing there, right? You want to fight with Ken later? The big black guy that's going to knock you around. Is it just you want to fight with later? Okay, be quiet then. You're in the big class. You shouldn't be saying stuff like that. Right? Okay. Because when he walks in, I'm going to tell him, I'm saying, well, he says he want to fight you. Remember, he beat you and about 8 guys up at the same time, right? Okay. Better stop it. Ready? I don't let parents say stuff while the kids fight. You definitely can't say it because you're in the class. Get up, sir. You two are